Rising above the Oder River in northwestern Poland, Pomeranian Dukes Castle has stood for centuries as the historic seat of the rulers of Pomerania. Dominating the skyline of Szczecin, the castle reflects the political, cultural, and architectural legacy of the powerful House of Griffins. The site originated as a ducal residence in the 14th century under the Griffin Dynasty, which ruled the Duchy of Pomerania for more than 5 centuries. Over time, successive dukes expanded the complex into an impressive residence that demonstrated their growing wealth and influence along the Baltic coast. During the 16th century, the castle was transformed into a magnificent Renaissance palace. Elegant courtyards, decorative facades, and ceremonial halls replaced many of its medieval defensive features, reflecting the duchy's prosperity and close connections with the kingdoms and principalities of Northern Europe. The castle remained the political and administrative center of the Duchy of Pomerania until the extinction of the Griffin dynasty in 1637. Afterwards, Szczecin came under Swedish and later Prussian rule, with the castle continuing to serve various governmental and military purposes through changing eras. The palace suffered extensive destruction during the Second World War, leaving much of the historic complex in ruins. Careful post-war reconstruction restored its Renaissance appearance using historical records, preserving one of Poland's most important ducal residences for future generations. Today, the Pomeranian Dukes Castle serves as one of Szczecin's leading cultural landmarks, housing museums, exhibition halls, concerts, and festivals throughout the year. Standing proudly above the Oder River once again, it remains a lasting symbol of the Griffin dynasty and the rich history of Pomerania.